Looking to buy the best budget drone for capturing photos and videos? I have compiled a list of the best drones with quality HD and 4K cameras in 2019. Every model listed here has its pros and cons. Price varies greatly. Whether you're looking for the cheapest video drone or maybe you're looking for something more professional, I got you covered with 5 best drones that have been released just recently. It takes some time to find a specific model on Amazon. Also, the price might change at time, offering additional discounts. For your convenience, I'm going to add the link for every drone listed here within the description down below this video. Make sure to head in there and check the details and pricing. There is no particular order in this video, and every drone is simply amazing and differs in features and pricing. Without further delay, let's get started. At number 5, Hollystone HS700. Offered with the lowest price of under $300, it is simply impossible to find the alternative equipped with such an immense set of features. The advanced 1080p Full HD camera with 110 degrees field of view lens captures high-quality aerial videos and photos with a panoramic view. 5G image transmission up to 1300 feet ensures high-speed real-time video without delay. Brushless motor runs strongly with low noise. Breakdown rarely occurs, which makes your flight more enjoyable. It has a powerful 2800 mAh lithium-ion battery. You are able to fly for about 20 minutes in one charge. The transmitter has a range of 3280 feet, which means you can fly and control the drone at more than half a mile away. This is really nice. You are able to set a custom flight path via the smartphone. Simply draw a route or tap several points inside the app, and the HS700 will fly along the path, sending the real-time landscape footage to you. Hollystone HS700 has a one-touch takeoff and landing button. The drone is equipped with the GPS technology, so it always knows the current position. In case you're flying the drone too close to a building or a tree, or it has gotten too far away, instead of using joystick control to figure out which way to turn to bring it back, just press the return home button, and the drone immediately starts to fly back to its original takeoff location. This drone does not have an obstacle avoidance technology, so in order to avoid running into a building or a tree on the return flight, as soon as you press the RTH button, the drone immediately ascends so that it can avoid any of these objects on its way back. No screws required to set up the propellers. It is easy to disassemble the drone and put it away. HS700 has a headless mode feature, so you have more control over which direction you want to fly the drone, instead of flying forward, backward, left or right. This drone has an interesting feature. As soon as the battery power goes down to 1 or 2 bars, which you can monitor on the remote control, the drone would automatically start to fly back to its takeoff location. HS700 has a follow me button. Once you switch it on, the drone will follow you from a safe distance. From the app on the phone you can press a button to have the drone circle around you at a height you choose. You can record videos from the camera as it circles around you, and the camera will keep you in focus. You can increase or decrease the radius of the flight from within the app. This drone is simply amazing to purchase for the price and available features. Highly recommended for those getting their first HD video drone. Let's see some of the technical specifications. More details as well as where to buy can be found in the description down below. At number 4, Parrot ANAVI drone. This drone comes within the medium price range of under $600, while offering some of the professional video recording features. Parrot ANAVI's camera is equipped with 2.4 wide-angle ASPH lens, HDR, and up to 2.8x digital zoom. The drone captures spectacular 4K, Full HD or 2.7K videos. This is a fantastic little drone. It is light and extremely portable. It has a true 25-minute flight time. It has a half dozen special flight modes, as well as the essential GPS position hold and smart return to home. This is the first drone on the market that can honestly compete with the DJI Mavic. With its ultra-compact and lightweight carbon frame, This quadrocopter drone unfolds in less than 3 seconds. It reaches a speed of 55 km per hour in sport mode. Geofence feature lets you define the virtual perimeter, stopping ANAVI from flying out of the designated area. Equipped with the Parrot Sky Controller 3 folding remote control, the ANAVI Parrot drone can be located at any time thanks to the activation of your smartphone's vibration when attention or immediate action is needed. Parrot ANAVI is capable of making 21 megapixel photos without loss of quality. In addition to that, you have a timer, a burst mode that captures 10 photos per second, and wizards to take over professional settings. As for the gimbal, even in sports mode, it creates stable footage. Very nice addition with such a tasty price. Parrot ANAVI drone offers in-camera zoom capabilities. This is especially great to create a vertigo effect directly from your drone, as opposed to creating one in post-production. The distance you get out of this drone can vary depending on where you're flying. If you're in a residential area where there is a lot of Wi-Fi, such as around houses or near hotels, you will lose connection very easily. However, when you fly in an area with very little or no Wi-Fi and a clear line of sight, you get amazing results. Parrot ANAVI is able to fly to a range of up to 2 miles. After that, it returns home safely. Battery life is good enough, and it can be recharged using a USB Type-C charger. Parrot ANAVI is really fun to fly. It is small and compact, but has good stability. It has comparable features to the other high-end platforms. As usual, let's have a look into technical specifications. Links for purchase, as well as more technical details, are available in the description down below. At number 3, DJI Magic Air. This review would not be complete without this affordable DJI drone. Costs slightly more expensive compared to Parrot, still it's a famous drone manufacturer with well-earned reputation. The ultra-portable Magic Air drone features the high-end flight performance and functionality for limitless exploration. A marvel of engineering and design, the Magic Air was built to go wherever adventure takes you. Magic Air shoots video at an incredible 4K 30 fps with 100 megabits per second. You can capture every second with Ultra HD quality. In addition to that, this drone supports a 1080p 120 slow motion video recording. New HDR algorithms help you obtain the right exposure settings intelligently, according to lighting conditions. Overexposed or dark areas are processed for more natural transitions between highlights and shadows, while DSP acceleration allows for more efficient shooting. The Mavic Air's onboard camera integrates a 1 by 2.3 inches 12 megapixel CMOS sensor and 2.8 lens with a 35mm equivalent focal length of 24mm to shoot high-quality photos and videos. In addition to horizontal, vertical and 180 degrees panoramas, the Mavic Air stitches 25 photos together in just 8 seconds to create the crystal clear 32 megapixel sphere panoramas. Mavic Air is amazingly stable in the air, even with the moderate wind conditions. This transfers into a great video quality, as the shaking is reduced down to minimum. The drone is well built and is very sturdy. It is also quite fast. Top flying speed is 42 miles per hour in sports mode. Total flight time is about 21 minutes with one battery charge. The Mavic Air has an improved obstacle avoidance system, which protects it from objects in front, behind and beneath its flying path. Additionally, DJI's Active Pilot Assistance system also helps the drone avoid obstacles intelligently by moving around them, instead of just stopping when it encounters them. It has many features that make it suitable for new and experienced drone pilots alike. It's a near-perfect travel drone for hobbyists and creators of all levels. Let's jump down to the technical specifications. All the details, as well as the links to purchase, are available in the description of this video. At number 2, Hobsons Eno. This small yet powerful 4K video drone, sometimes called a DJI Mavic Pro killer. Well, it has all the features to be worth of such a proud comparison. Does budget drone under $400 have a lot of functionality on board? See for yourself. Hobsons Eno utilizes a 4K camera on a 3-axis gimbal. It is also capable of shooting 3840 by 2160 videos at 30 fps. The field of view is 89 degrees, and the aperture is impressively low, only 2.2. Eno also has a panorama photo mode. The Hobsons Eno has a flight time of 23 minutes, sometimes even 25. That is 7 minutes better than the DJI Spark and 3 minutes better than the DJI Mavic Pro. This drone has a range of up to 2500 meters, but the video transmission is limited to 1000 meters only. Hobsons Eno is integrated with 12 megapixel camera, mounted on a 3-axis gimbal camera stabilizer that offers smooth and professional cinematic footage. Dual GPS GLONASS positioning system is there to enhance the drone's stability and precise flight controls. Just like the Mavic Pro, the Eno drone is crafted with heavy and high-quality material made of durable alloy metal. The fact that the Hobsons Eno foldable drone is made of alloy metal gives it natural protection against impact. Furthermore, this smart foldable drone is equipped with brushless motors, which improves the performance and power effectiveness. In terms of flying speed, I must say Hobsons Eno is notably slower compared to DJI Magic Air. It has a maximum flying speed of 37 miles per hour. Hobsons Eno comes with HT106 foldable remote controller. This advanced transmitter comes with dual antennas that communicates with the drone from 2.4 to 5.8 GHz, achieving a lightning-fast and responsive connection. This drone takes advantage of built-in positioning system and comes with different flying modes. This includes Follow Me mode, Orbit mode, and a Waypoint mode. It also includes the automatic return home failsafe, automatic takeoff and landing, and the headless mode intuitive orientation. You are able to specify the flight path using the smartphone application. Hobsons Eno comes with a 3000 mAh battery that takes about 3 hours to be fully charged. With this drone you will get the best experience with a unique design. Just press one key on the remote for 1K shooting with automatic recording and 360 rotation. Mark the object and Eno will be able to automatically move and keep the target in the frame. Eno will be your operator for important moments. With the versatile set of features, affordable price, reliable quality and in-air stability, Hobsons Eno is definitely worth buying for everyone who is addicted to a 4K video and photo shooting from the air. As always, let's see a brief list of technical specifications. Find out more details and latest pricing in the description of this video. Last but not least, at number 1, UPair 2 Ultrasonic. Yet another high-quality, feature-rich, affordable drone for under $500. First thing is first, good unit and worth of money. The UPair 2 is responsive and very easy to fly. The Follow Me feature brings even more convenience, almost like having a pet flying around and following you. Return Home feature works extremely well. Newly high-designed 3-eye camera, main 4K ultra-high definition lens, and 2 assisted lenses with 2K Full HD. Fine capture for every wonderful moment with a high resolution of 16 megapixel. UPair 2 Ultrasonic comes with 3-axis high-precision gimbal for camera and dynamically adjustable camera pitch angle from -90 degrees up to +10 degrees via the remote control during the flight. The camera of UPair 2 takes good pictures and a decent video. You can even use the drone with some VR headsets, giving the realistic flight experience with a great safety. This drone is made of an excellent and resistant material. You may carry it in a briefcase or a backpack. It is as light and as compact as it can be. The good quality foam protects the drone not only against heats, but also against the low winter temperatures. UPair 2 is equipped with upgraded 5100 mAh intelligent battery that yields up to 24 minutes flight time. so you can immerse yourself in a substantial flight. The drone is assisted with headless mode, follow me mode, altitude hold function, and the one key return to home function. It also supports the flight plan customization. Perfect quadcopter for beginners or grown-up kids. U-Pair 2 can be connected via Wi-Fi. It works with U-Pair app and takes pictures and video in no time. 5.8 GHz real-time transmission provides you with a resolution of 4K 30 FPS live video image from up to 6,561 feet away. This feature lets you see what your drone sees. This drone comes with unique 3D plus 4K camera. You can enjoy 3D video on your smartphone, capture breathtaking 4K Ultra HD definition video, and ultra clear 16 megapixel stills. U-Pair 2 is just as capable as drones twice its size. Flying indoors is easier than ever, with optical flow technology that provides accurate position holding even when GPS is unavailable, making it safe for any occasion. In addition to that, the auto landing feature is included. Easily program an invisible route for U-Pair 2 to fly along. U-Pair 2 will fly between preset coordinates while independently controlling the camera position. U-Pair 2 allows you to easily program autonomous flight and capture stunning photos and videos with a range of up to 2,500 meters. All in all, it's a great piece of drone. I tried to find some downsides, but failed. There's literally nothing to complain with the feature set and quality offered with under $500 price. Let's have a brief overview of U-Pair 2 technical specifications. More details, as well as the precise pricing and where to buy, is available via links in the description down below. It is a bit of a challenge when trying to review all the best RC drones in one video. As of year 2019, drone market has an immense amount of different models available, making it hard to make a choice. That's why this review only contains selected models, priced under $1,000. With that said, there are more drone and not only drone reviews like this one on their way. In case you're interested in tech same way as I do, I would highly recommend you subscribing to this channel so you are always kept in a loop with new gadgets. I hope you find this video useful. If that is the case, don't forget to click that like button, for sake of more people get to find out the 5 best video and photo drones in 2019.